Buddy boy's got the hiccups.
Guess this will go milestones.
Yeah.
Hey, honey bunny. You got the hiccups. I'd scare you, but I don't wanna.
You're scaring us enough.
For sure.
He hiccups and blows a bubble.
Is his belly button okay? All the little tubes and stuff?
That's fine. Just want to make sure it's not pulled out.
I'm holding one so tight to mommy.
I can't see the number. Oh, your eyes is open.
Oh, buddy boy. What's up, little man? Can I see some eyeballs? Eyeballs.
He hasn't opened it for me today either. It's disgusting.